taking a product in for repair.
Hello, sir. Welcome to Royal Phones. How may I help you today?
Hi. Well, I tried to turn my phone on this morning, but nothing happened. The screen stayed black.
Are you sure you charged it?
Yes, I've checked that already. I know the charger works because my wife can charge her phone with it.
Okay. So, it's not the charger. May I have a look at your phone? Liz inspects Phil's phone, but can't get it to turn on. It looks like the phone will need to be repaired. When did you purchase it?
I have my receipt here. Just a second.
Phil checks his receipt for the purchase date.
It seems I bought it on January 14th, 2021.
Because it's still under our 1-year warranty, we'll be able to repair it for you.
Can it be fixed right now?
I'm afraid not. We'll arrange to send your phone to our service center. It'll likely take around 3 to 5 days.
Okay, that's fine.